You need to hear this if you're a health enthusiast. Carrots aren't just for bunnies. They're nature's own health sticks, loaded with goodies. So why should you be munching on carrots? First off, these orange wonders are jam-packed with beta-carotene. That's the stuff that converts to vitamin A in your body, giving you superstar vision and a superhero immune system. But wait, there's more. Carrots are like natural toothbrushes. While you chew, they're scrubbing away plaque and particles and even giving your gums a healthy massage. Feeling a bit puffy? Carrots to the rescue. They help reduce inflammation thanks to their high antioxidant content. And for all you calorie counters, a medium carrot has only about 25 calories. That's right, snack without guilt. So next time you're thinking about a snack, grab a carrot. Your body will thank you, and hey, you might even feel a bit more bunny-like in the best way possible. And that's Food Made Simple. Thanks for watching.